Okay, so I'm doing a slightly different take on my Christmas lights from last year. I made bigger ones. I actually had a different plan in mind, but it's not going to happen. Maybe next year. So these are the big ones. So I'm just gonna get these in. Before this sets up too much. And then off to the side, which you can't see, I made these 3D light bulbs. They're so cute. I'll show you in a minute. I just got to get this stuff in. I don't want the soap to set up too much. Anyways, they're adorable. So I'm going to put those on top and then pipe strings. Anyways, that's the plan. So I'm just working fast because this fragrance sets up. So we want to get everything in so we have no air gaps. And first part where I was gonna do like a string, and then the second part where I just decided to do straight lines. And then this loaf is all straight lines and just 3 instead of 4. So I was rushed. It's never good when I'm making soap and I'm rushed. On top of that, the fragrance sets up and was so not only was I rushed for time, I had to be done. I also was rushed with I had to work fast, and so the design that I wanted to do was it didn't happen. I wanted to kind of do mica lines to make it like the lights attached, look like it was attached to strings. And it just, like I said, I needed to plan better. Then because that didn't work, I had already started putting the lights in straight, and I really wish they were more random. But we'll see what it gets when I cut it. Said maybe it won't be quite so bad. Oh, that one didn't get pushed down. You can see the light It's like right on top here. Like I said, for all that work of making all these embeds, you kind of wish that things had gone better. That got sideways, that little piece. It's okay. So this is the top one where pieces got cut through. And they're just, the placement that's what kind of gets me. And because this was getting so thick, I couldn't even get them down like I was trying. So I'm just, I don't know, a little sad, I guess, over how these turned out. So I think next year I know better what to do. I mean, I also thought about piping like string on these on the top now that they're cut, but I don't know. At this point I'm kind of just like, I guess these are what they are, and I can redo it next year and have a better idea of what to do. Like I said, if I hadn't been rushed, I knew this fragrance does accelerate, I would have split the batch up and not just pour it in and only poured the fragrance in each section as I needed it instead of the whole batch. But again, I was rushed, and so it was like, well, we'll just put it all in and get it in quick. But I didn't get it in quick enough. I mean, I guess I did. There's no air gaps, so there's the positive. But yeah, I'm just a little disappointed for all the work. But it's fine. They're still cute. I just have to not be so hard.